Welcome to our English tropical garden. So it's February and actually it's a lovely day. The sun is shining and today I thought I'd start to tackle this Indian bean tree. So this was all growth from last year, and what I need to do now before it starts to grow later in the year, which is quite late shooting this tree, is I'm going to cut all of the long spindly bits off. It's a very soft wood, so I should hopefully be able to do it mainly with this little friend here, and then potentially any big ones I may have to get a long extendable chainsaw to it, but we'll see. Take a bit at a time and see how I go. So yeah, and then there's just one other little thing I want to show you. This is just a short video today, but look at these lovely little snowdrops, and look, a little remnant of a firework which I'll get rid of. I think that was from one of the neighbours, but anyway, look at these lovely little guys poking their little heads up. So that's it from me for February. Another little short video will be coming soon. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.